Having just arrived back at the chateau, it's been great to see that the little flooded area here has now receded. There was something like 60 odd days of continuous rain leading to a small area of our park being flooded. But as you can see, now the water is almost gone. That was the good news. The bad news lies up by the lake. This was the sight that greeted me when I arrived. The second biggest oak tree that we have in the park has come down. It must be hundreds of years old, and it's a real devastating loss to the whole area here. It was a beautiful tree. It's right next to the area where we've got a lot of big oak trees, an area that we're calling the oak tree garden. So this really is a huge, huge loss to us. It has also fallen halfway into the lake, which is going to make it very difficult to cut it all up and pull all the big branches out. I'm already starting to assemble a team of guys to come and help do this, but we're going to have to leave it for a month or so until it's a lot drier. It really is a total disaster. You can see now as we get closer the size of this tree. This really is going to take some chopping up. Just cutting these branches over here are going to be immensely heavy, and they're going to be difficult to get out of the lake. It's actually fallen into the lake and is supporting itself on the bottom of the lake, and it extends certainly a third of the way into the lake. Terrible, terrible. The reason that this beautiful old tree has come down is that it was growing right next to this little part of the ditch. This ditch was probably put in the 60s to bring water from the farmers' fields next door and take it across our land and into the commune drainage system. So for many decades, this tree has been sitting in a very wet environment. And what you can see is, if you take a look at the inside of the trunk, you can just pull it apart. It's just like sponge. It's totally rotten, waterlogged. The strength has all gone out. The roots, I guess, don't extend very far under the ditch, which has made the tree very susceptible to high winds. You can see in here, which is the area of the tree that is sitting in the water, I can just pull the inner part of it out. It's very rotten in here. This part of the tree here is actually really quite solid, but the side here that's been sitting in the water, very weak. Devastating, really devastating. As you can see, it stood right at the corner of this area of land where we have all these beautiful oak trees. Thankfully, the tree in the corner hasn't come down. That's a protected tree, and it must be at least 500 or 600 years old.
If you have enjoyed watching this video, why not click on the subscribe button that has just appeared. Also, check out our Patreon page in the link below. On there, you will find other ways in which you can help and support us in our project. It really does mean a great deal to us that you are interested in Chateau and preserving its wonderful history. Thank you.